Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me, mascara is one of those essential beauty items you just can't live without. But finding that perfect formula that delivers bold, voluminous lashes without the clumps, well, that's a different story. Today we're taking a closer look at a mascara that promises just that, the Lune+Aster Superstellar Extreme Volume Mascara, featuring an hourglass-shaped brush designed to add intense volume and definition to your lashes. This mascara is designed to give you everything you want in a mascara: volume, boldness, and precision. But is it really as stellar as it claims? Let's dive into the details and find out. First, let's talk about the brush. The Lune+Aster Superstellar Mascara comes with a built-in hourglass-shaped brush that's designed to coat every lash with ease. It's designed to hold more product than a standard wand, which helps deliver that volume you're after, without needing to go over your lashes multiple times. The brush tapers at the tip, allowing you to get into the corners and coat those hard-to-reach lashes without any mess. As for the formula, this mascara is volumizing, meaning it's going to give you that bold, dramatic lash look without feeling heavy or cakey. It's a liquid formula, which tends to glide on smoother and provides a more even application. I personally love that this mascara doesn't flake throughout the day, and it holds up well even through long hours. No smudging here. When it comes to performance, I had no trouble incorporating this mascara into my routine. It's easy to use, just a few swipes, and I noticed an immediate boost in volume and length. The hourglass brush really made a difference in getting that perfect separation between lashes. My lashes looked fuller, longer, and with no clumps in sight. What really impressed me was the volume. If you have fine lashes like me, you'll appreciate how this mascara builds up without making your lashes feel heavy or stiff. I tested it through a few different conditions, from a regular workday to a more intense workout, and it held up just fine. No smudging, no flaking, just bold lashes all day long. That's a win in my book. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros? Well, the formula is impressive. It's buildable, it adds volume, and it doesn't clump or smudge. The hourglass-shaped brush is another standout feature. It's incredibly easy to use and really helps you coat every lash, from root to tip. The mascara also holds up well throughout the day, and it's easy to remove at night, which is always a plus for me. On the flip side, while the volume is fantastic, if you're looking for a mascara that adds length, this one might not be the best choice for you. It's definitely more about volume and thickness than elongation. So if you want a bit of both, you might need a layering product. Also, the price point might be a bit higher than some drugstore mascaras, but you are paying for that extra volume and long-lasting wear. In terms of value for money, I think this mascara is worth it, especially if you're someone who struggles to find a volumizing mascara that actually delivers. The performance, the no-clump formula, and the long-lasting effect all make it a solid investment. That said, if you're someone on a budget, there are similar options out there that are a bit more affordable. Now, I'd like to quickly highlight some alternatives for those of you who might be looking for something more budget-friendly. There are a few drugstore mascaras that perform similarly in terms of volume, but perhaps lack the lasting power of this one. Some notable mentions include L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise and Maybelline's Lash Sensational. While they may not have the hourglass-shaped brush or the same buildable formula, they do deliver great volume and are much more affordable. Before we wrap up, I want to ask, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I didn't have to reach out to Lune+Aster directly for any issues, but I've heard good things about their responsiveness. They tend to be very helpful when it comes to handling inquiries. Overall, the Lune+Aster Superstellar Extreme Volume Mascara is a solid choice for anyone looking for bold, voluminous lashes. It delivers great performance without clumping or flaking, and the brush design is a game changer. While it's a bit on the pricier side, if you're looking for a mascara that holds up throughout the day and delivers the volume it promises, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.